BRLee, that's me, and welcome back. So glad you could join me. I look like a mess today. I feel like a mess today, but I got my Boxycharm. It was waiting for me when I got home from going to the grocery store for getting stuff. Y'all, it's been a roller coaster of a week and of a day. Do you ever have those kind of days where it's just like, you just gotta take a deep breath and try to keep going? That's what it's been like. Anyways, haven't even broken the seal on this box yet, but my first thoughts is so much smaller than my last box. Got my handy dandy like mumbo jumbo scissors here, and just gonna slice it open. These are the only scissors that I've been able to keep away from my children. So you're gonna get to see this when I get to see it. Well, that is kind of pretty. Let's see. Those eyelashes were my pick. I'm so excited to see those in there. I have no idea what else is in here. The card says bubbles and glitz. That's kind of cute. And the back does tell me what's in the box and how much it is, but I haven't looked at it yet, and I kind of want to wait and see what I have. So my pick, I know what that was, so I'll show it to you, was the Glamnetic eyelashes and magnetic eyeliner. I am so excited. I have worn fake eyelashes, I think, twice in my entire life. So the glue freaks me out. They feel weird, so I'm super excited to try these magnetic ones on. And depending on what else I get in my box, maybe I'll be able to like do a whole look with what I got in the box. It says the Glamnetic Baby Girl Lashes and Black Liquid Magnetic Liner. $63 is the retail price. So I think I paid like $15 for this box, $12.95, something in that range. So bam, already worth. I mean, that's like 3 or 4 subscriptions worth, like 15, 30, yeah. So I mean, that's awesome. It says, get ready to be spoiled. The Baby Girl is a wispy round lash that looks natural on the eye and feels super lightweight. It's made from high quality 100% vegan synthetic fibers and comes with a pair of lash anchors that help strengthen the hold and keep them in place. The Glamnetic Magnetic Eyeliner is the magic that holds your fave Glamnetic lashes in place all day. The innovative formula is highly pigmented, requires minimal waiting time, and provides all-day hold. So I'm pretty excited about those. So already, okay, maybe I'm not so upset that it's a small box. Then the other thing that first catches my eye is this bright palette. It is the Calente Artist Contour, I believe is how you say all that. And the retail price is $30. Oh, look at, oh hi, whoa, hello, 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 hello. Okay, can you see me, see me? Sorry, that doesn't happen very often. Kind of took me off guard. Love the bright colors. I am excited to experiment with those. My kids will also love experimenting with those with me. Ooh, it is also has a magnetic closure. Very nice. Let's see what it says about that. Turn up the heat and get ready to feel the Calente Fantasy. This palette features 5 buttery matte, 2 richly pigmented metallics, and 1 multi-dimensional high pearl shade. These colors have been carefully curated to design wearable, vibrant, and colorful looks. Transform your eyes with these versatile Glow Getter approved palette. Awesome. And this also caught my eye. Also bright red MAC lipstick. It says that it is cream sheen lipstick. And it is pretty boy color red. I almost dropped everything. That would have been so sad. Let me set it over here. Okay. I My lips feel horrible right now, so I'm just going to go ahead and pop this on and see what it feels like. Meet MAC lipstick, the iconic product that made MAC famous. The creamy, balmy formula features a comforting feel, medium buildable coverage, and a semi-gloss finish for $19. If I hadn't already looked at all the other stuff that I got, I probably would have been disappointed. Like, I don't have anything against MAC, but like, you know, it's kind of easy to get. I do like, it is very soft. It does feel very nice. Very creamy. I do like that it's buildable. Like, it's not like, oh, I touched my lips and now, like, bam, I'm blown away with the color. So, nice little bullet there. Okay, the other thing is, tell me how to say this, please. LMS Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. It is winter time. I am not going to complain about getting moisturizer. That is for sure. Let's see. 100% natural fragrance. That's good because I'm very sensitive to fragrances. Please recycle. Let's see. Do not eat. Okay, thanks. Okay, let's see what our little thing says. Reveal a soft, lit from within glow with this illuminating prebiotic moisturizer. The lightweight, multi-use formula leaves skin hydrated while blurring the look of imperfections. It can also be used as a primer underneath makeup or applied as a highlighter to enhance the skin's radiance. Retail price $49. Dang! This is a expensive box already that did not cost me very much. This is what the bottle actually looks like. It says apply AM to cleansed skin. If contact with eyes occurs, rinse thoroughly. A priming moisturizer for glowing skin. I'm very interested to see what it looks like. It's got like a dropper bottle. I don't know if nope, it's cold outside, so it might not supposed to be this thick, but it is rather thick. And yeah, I don't even think you can see it. Like, it smells very nice. Can you see it on my fingers maybe? Like, there is a glow, but there's like almost zero tint, or if the tint is there, it's like the same color as my skin. So, but it is very soft and silky. That feels very nice. I will definitely be using that. Thank you very much, Boxycharm. Okay, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4 things so far. And the last thing in here, ooh, is by BRLee. Beauty Get Lit Metallic Foiled Liquid Eyeshadow. And it's got like a plastic seal on the box, so I don't know. The color is pure gold. And this says, enrich your lids and get lit with aloe. Oh, my handy-dandy scissors are right here. Let's give it a try. Y'all are just making my day. It feels so much better already. I love getting on here and talking with y'all. Please leave a comment on how your day has been. I'd love to, chat with you in the comments below. Send me a message. Okay, I got that off. Let's see. Come on. Wow. That's like, oh my goodness. That is beautiful. Oh my. Let's see what it says. Enrich your lids and get lit with the BRLee's luxurious, long-wearing metallic foiled liquid eyeshadow with perfect blend and metallic and glitter reflects. Create or transform any look with subtle to intense. The retail price $26. So I'm going to do some quick math real quick. This whole box, I am impressed. This is just my second Boxycharm box, and so far I like them a good bit. It's hard to wait for the box to see what you get other than your pick, but it's worth it so far. So the contour palette was $30. The Glamnetic Baby Girl Lashes and Eyeliner was $63. Then the Elmis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer, $49. MAC Lipstick, $19, and then $26 for the Eloise Beauty Get Lit Metallic Foil Liquid Eyeshadow. $187 in total retail price for this box. Y'all, I paid less than $15 for this. That is so amazing. That's everything in the box. I'm going to stop now. It's going to be kind of a quick video. And if I decide to use all these things on a makeup lip, see, it's definitely time to stop. If I use these items together on a look, I will be sure to make a video for that and let you guys know how everything works out. But BRLee, that's me. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for all your support. Please continue to watch. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not. And I did get a winner for my giveaway. We did reach 15. I'm so excited. That was my goal for the end of the year. And I will be sending out that prize to the selected winner. So thanks again, everybody. And I will BRB on my next video.